All right, so I'm here to talk about Gradient Descent, and this is just one heck of a mega dungeon designed for the sci-fi horror system Mothership. It's about a unshackled AI that has absolute control of a space station called the Deep, and it makes human-like androids, and it is also filled with all these insanely powerful artifacts that essentially change the future of the galaxy the space station occupies. So they have huge game changing ramifications that are really, really cool to witness. The mega dungeon itself, it's kind of hard to make out here. They have this wonderful map that kind of shows where everything is connected, but it's made up of hundreds of rooms. And the layout of this zine is just a wonder in itself. The amount of information they pack into a module this size. And it's all so nicely laid out that I can kind of go to any section in here or any room and then tell what's in the room within seconds, just making it a joy to run at the table. Just some really cool things to note, and this is right at the beginning, so you can reference this very easily. So Monarch is the name of the AI, and it actually has its own system where it gets more and more agitated as players meddle in its affairs, and then you watch as it gets more and more aggressive, and you can see those effects in game. The other cool thing is that there is the system called the Bends, where the longer and longer you spend on the space station, the Deep, the more likely you are to question whether you're human, and you start to think that you're actually an android. So that's also a really cool mechanic that is a really long ongoing thing. You can see that the book itself is just packed with really relevant maps, kind of dictating the local layout of the area in which the players are in, so that's really easy to see. It's also filled with all this wonderful, horrific artwork that you can make out that is really evocative of the setting. So I recommend you check it out.